beach.
Yes, and we're having another fun trip with triplets. So we're gonna take you on a tour of our home away from home at the beach.
Yeah, we got a really awesome beach house right on the beach.
With tons of outdoor activities, including a pool and a hot tub.
Yeah.
And guys, don't forget, make sure you subscribe and like this video for more great content. And if you haven't seen any of our other house tours, beach videos, make sure you check those out too.
All right, hope you enjoy.
Outside, it's really nice. You get to enter this big family area. So we have a huge table over here, so everybody can sit there. And the girls actually have enjoyed sitting there for meal times now too. And we really enjoy just sitting there and being able to look out over the ocean while we eat our meals. It's wonderful. And then here in the family room, we actually spend a lot of time with the girls reading books, playing with their toys, and it's nice because we can sit here and they can watch TV or play with their toys or read, and we still get a nice, beautiful ocean view. So it's really comfortable. Tons of seating, tons and tons of seating. And then we come in here in the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen, has everything that you need for a family vacation. Huge fridge. We've done a lot of grocery shopping. We've done a lot of eating out. So we probably could do more cooking, but it really has everything that you need to cook, all the basics. Utensils, pots, pans, all that stuff. You will have to bring your own spices and things like that. You have to do all your grocery shopping. They don't really leave any of that stuff here for you, but you'll have all your, cutlery, plates, and all that fun stuff. So huge fridge, microwave, oven, electric stove. They have a coffee pot. And then toaster, all the things that you need. Drawers are stocked with some linens, things for the kitchen, which is really nice. They have some really beautiful bowls and all the cups and everything that you need are in the cabinets. So right off the kitchen, we actually have the half bath, which is really, really nice. It's a nice feature to have right here. So in here, toilet, sink, our girls' potties, because we're potty training. It's really nicely decorated, and every bathroom has tons of linens, which is really helpful. And if we go further down this hallway, this is the guest bedroom. These are on the back side of the house, so if we really haven't been using them much, because obviously we want the ocean view. But these are great size bedrooms. There's a king size bed, I believe, in here, and then there's a king size bunk bed with a queen bunk on top in here. So one of the things to know about this house, it's wonderful for big families. But if you're bringing littles like we did, you have to bring your own baby gates. It's really important in this house unless they're very good at navigating stairs, because there are a lot of stairs. So Brian, being the genius that he is, made sure that we had plenty of baby gates to bring with us to keep these areas safe. Because if you know, like we know, running after 19-month-old triplets, you don't want to have to chase them up and down stairs all day. Let's go upstairs.
We've got 4 bedrooms up here, 2 beachfront bedrooms where we're staying at, but first we're going to start off with this really awesome triplet bunk bed.
Ooh, our girls would love to stay on this.
It's really tall, and I think they might actually be able to climb up there if we let them.
I think so.
There's actually 2 more beds over here. These chairs actually pull out in the beds.
Yeah, so you can get a lot of kids up here, and I'm sure they'll have a grand old time.
We got a laundry room located on the top floor here, which we're putting to good use.
Excellent use.
Yeah, washing towels and baby clothes every day.
Every day. You guys know for us, this is a necessity. Well, we got down this hall.
2 more bedrooms.
2 more bedrooms. So again, this house is a perfect size for a large family. For us, you know, it's just us and the girls and a few friends and a few family members, but we have a few spaces we're not using.
Yeah, this is one of the bedrooms we're not using, but this is the same as the bedroom down on the bottom. This is either like a king or a queen bed on the bottom, and
I think it's a king on the bottom and a queen on top.
But this, it's a lot of room in here.
And every bedroom has a bathroom, which is super nice. So it's really, really nice that if your families are coming, you don't have to worry about sharing a bathroom. Each family can have their own. So they all have these stand-up showers that are really, really nicely done. Beautiful finishes in the bathroom, tons of linens, everything that you need. Another great feature is that each room has great closet space. So you can come in, unpack, you have plenty of space for all those swimsuits and cover-ups that you're bringing, because I can't imagine you're bringing much else to the beach. So on this side of the house, we have the two main bedrooms. I think these are both masters. One has a little bit bigger bedroom and bathroom. We chose the smaller one to use for our room just because it actually worked a little bit better for configuring the girls' cribs. But this is the bedroom where Brian and I like to hang out when the girls are taking a nap. Go on in. This bedroom is actually one of my favorites for a couple of reasons. I love the color palette in here. It's very soothing and relaxing. There's a humongous bed, which is lovely for lounging and watching TV. And there's this gorgeous ocean view. I mean, does it get much better than that? This is my favorite part. So up here, you actually have a wraparound deck, which is nice for both of the rooms on the ocean side. So you can come out, you can lounge in your Adirondack chairs and just take in this beautiful view. The nice part about being up here too is that these sliding glass doors, you can open them and leave them, open to the breeze. Downstairs on the main level, there is a pool alarm, which is required by Florida. And so you can't leave that door open just because the pool is on that deck. So it is nice when you want to just be able to come up and lounge and leave the door open and hear the ocean, just to come up here.
Yeah. And the girls like to run around here too.
Yeah, oh, the girls love to run around here, and it's nice because all these banisters are pretty sturdy, so we don't have to worry so much about them trying to climb on anything, and it's just nice to let them run free, and we don't have to worry about them jumping in the pool. We can take you to the master bathroom. On the way, there is a nice big closet, and this is one of the master bathrooms. So it's really nice size, nice walk-in shower, big vanity, which is wonderful for all our junk, and it's got beautiful finishings, which is really nice. And again, tons and tons and tons of linens everywhere, tons of towels, which is super helpful when you have a whole bunch of kids. All right, Brian, where are we headed to next?
To the basement.
Downstairs. There's no basement. The bottom floor. All right, Brian, what we got down here?
This is actually where the front door is. And then we got a cool game room area with a couch, TV, whatever this game is.
Bowling?
Some sort of.
So it's like a mini bowling alley. I'm sure someone knows, but it looks like a mini bowling alley to me.
Yeah, but they also have a really cool bar area over here that we haven't really used.
So second kind of kitchen area.
Second kitchen. This opens to the outside where we have like a grill and a ping pong table out there.
Yeah, this is a fantastic spot if you really just want to grill outside and have a place where you can set up your daiquiris or margaritas. You can have your morning coffee down here. Huge. What is that, Brian?
Oh, this is just a nice one.
Is the ice maker, which is wonderful.
Just for ice.
Just for ice. And there's actually another fridge down here too, which is nice.
And there's also one more half bathroom that's down here on the lower level.
You don't even have to go upstairs.
All right, let's go check out the beach.
Let's go check out the beach.
This is the outdoor area that's on the bottom level. It's really nice. They got a ping pong table. They have a grilling station. We have a nice little bar top table and some cornhole.
Cornhole. Some little activities to do if you need something to occupy your time. A couple of those.
Most important is this is how you get to the beach.
It's so nice to have access to the beach literally right outside your door. We hope you guys enjoyed our tour of our amazing Panama City beach house.
So I guess it's time to go get the girls up from their nap.
And head to the beach.
Yeah. We'll see you guys next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us at A Bray in the Life.
All right, see you next time.